We're in 2021. Last year, we were hit with COVID, which means online shopping increased because all the malls were closed. All the places that you go to were closed. Now people are like, wow, there's such a wide selection of things online. Why do I need to go to the mall? At least that's what I thought. I never found anything in the mall anyways because I'm long and tall and have big feet. They don't normally carry my size. But point being, we need to stay safe. Because the hackers know this. They know that people are online and they want to target them and they want to scam them and they want to take their money. So I'm going to teach you ways to be cyber safe while shopping online. When you're buying online and you're buying from an unfamiliar retailer, try doing extra research. Research is the key to many things in life. Try putting the retailer's names to keywords such as scam, complaints. Check out the reviews. If anything seems a little bit off or funny, then be very cautious of that. That can tell you something, and when something tells you something, usually you should listen. I know, y'all want these big discounts, y'all want to save stuff, but if it sounds too good to be true, like if you see a flat screen TV and it says 90% off, I don't think you're about to get that for 90% off, and I don't think you're gonna get it at all, and you're not getting a refund. So if it's too good to be true, then it ain't it. That's it. It's simple. Like, just think. If it's too good to be true, it's probably not true. So be cautious. When shopping online, try to use your credit card. If you use your debit card and it's not an actual website and it's a scammer, now they have your debit card information, and your debit card is usually linked to your bank account, and this can cause a lot more damage when they have all of that. So use your credit card because it has extra consumer protection rights. Even if it never comes and you can't get a refund, it's technically not your money anyways. So if you don't have a credit card, or even if you do have a credit card, try using a third-party application such as PayPal, Google Pay, or Apple Wallet. This way, you're not directly entering in your credit card or your debit card information. It's going through a secure third-party application, and all this stuff becomes encrypted. You're not revealing the information that they actually want. And in turn, this is going to help you by adding an extra layer of protection. And that's what we always want, an extra layer of protection for those just-in-case moments.